Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set text color in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Slides. It opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Then tap on the slide that we want to edit, then tap on edit slide. And here we can tap on a text box where we want to write. Then tap on this letter A. And here under text color, we can select the color of the text that we want it to have. And also we can select the theme as well, like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.